Hey my dear friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can embed a YouTube shorts on WordPress website. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First I'm going on YouTube, then select any shorts. So I select this one, just copy this link, then go to your website, then select new post. So I select a new post here. So this video I created for example purpose only. So you can see this is a WordPress website, free domain hosting, everything. So just click on add media, then click on insert from URL, then paste your link here, then insert into photo. Just click on here. So you need to just click on publish, then click on view post. You can see it's already added on my website. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, bye.